Now before going for the explanation part of graph of a linear equation, let me tell you that your pre-midterm exam is fast approaching. Okay, so pre-midterm will be of 20 marks. Okay, pre-midterm exam will be of 20 marks. It is approaching very fast and you will have 20 questions which will be in the form of MCQ. Okay, so portion for that pre-midterm portion will be C. Portion for pre-midterm will be, first is Heron's formula, chapter 12, then second number system, chapter 1, and then third coordinate geometry, chapter 3. So prepare nicely questions from first lesson. First what we did, that is Heron's formula, then number system and coordinate geometry, and do well in your exam. Okay, all the very best for that exams. And along with this we will have the next, that is the next topic that we are going to learn now is graph of a linear equation in two variables. Our new topic, that is graph of a linear equation in two variables. Before this video we have seen what? So graph, how in a graph particular point lies in it or not, that we have checked it, is it not? And find the value of k. Now we are going to see with the help of a linear equation how we are going to plot a graph. Okay, so that is why the topic is graph of a linear equation in two variables. That means a linear equation, for example, x plus 2y is equals to 6. This is your linear equation in two variables. You can see the two variables are x and y. So with this linear equation, how we are going to plot graph? Okay, so 4 points how to make, that we have seen in the previous video. Okay, so now for this, first we will make table. Okay, for the graph we need to have a table to get the value of x and y. With two values also we can find, or with three values we can plot a graph. Okay, so let us take 3 points. Okay, so here that is x variable and the next one is y variable. So here three values we will take for x and y, and with the help of these points only we will plot a graph. Okay, now see, in this equation, in this linear equation, if the value of x, I used to take x equals to 0, suppose I am taking, then what will be the value of y? Put the value of x as 0 in this equation and get the value for y, that is x, that is 0 plus 2y equals to 6, which implies what? 2y equals to 6, implies y equals to how much? 6 upon 2, which is equals to 3. So that means when my x value is 0, what y value I am getting? 3. So this is 1 point. Okay, so point will be, first point will be 0, 3. Okay, same way, suppose I am applying, let x equals to 2, suppose I am taking. Okay, so if I will take x equals to 2, what will be my y value? I will find out, that is 2 plus 2y equals to 6. Then implies what? Now take this, that side, that is transposing, what we will get? 2y equals to 6 minus 2, which is equals to 4, implies 2y equals to 4, implies y equals to 4 upon 2, which is equals to 2. That means when my x value is 2, what is my y value? That is also 2. So here I can write 2 and 2. Okay, clear? One more value we will take, that is, let y equals to 0, suppose I am taking. Y value I am considering as 0. So what will be my x value? So that is x plus 2 into 0 equals to 6, implies x plus 0 equals to 6, implies x equals to 6. That means when my x is 6, y is 0. So next value will be x is 6, y is what? 0. Now 3 points I got. Okay. So based on these 3 points, now we are going to plot a graph. So for that, take your graph paper. Okay. Use your graph paper for plotting this. Now see, y-axis and x-axis. Likewise, this is O center. Intersection of y-axis and x-axis meets at O, that is center. Equal numbers will give here 1, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, here 6. Okay. Same way on the top positive side of y-axis. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Okay. Same way, -1, -2, -3. So here you can see nowhere we got minus values. So up to 3 only I will take and leave. Okay. And down also -1, -2. So down y-axis also you can see y points are not negative here in these 3 points. Okay. So you can take up to -2 and leave it. Now see the points. First point, what is that? 0, 3. 0, 3 means when x is 0, y is 3. X is 0 means it will be at the center. X point is 0, that means at the center. And y is 3 means 1, 2, 3. This point. So this will be what? 0, 3. X is 0, y is 3. The next point you can see 2, 2. Means what? X value is 2, 1, 2, this one. And y is also 2, 1, 2. That means here. Okay. 2, 2. Means point will be this one, will be 2, 2. Okay. Third point is what? 6, 0. Means x value is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This one. And y is 0. Means on the x-axis only. So this value is what? 6, 0. Now join this all. You will see that you will get a straight line like this. So this is our linear graph. You will have straight line, okay? So this is our linear graph, and what is the equation for this line? What is the equation of this line? That is x plus 2y equals to 6. Here children, understood? With the given points, how to plot graph on your graph paper. Understood? Suppose this is the linear equation given. Take values of, assume value of x as 0, then get the y value, and assume x value as 2, and then y value you get it from the equations by solving. And once again use y value as 0 and get the value of x. Okay. After getting the 3 points, draw on the graph paper x-axis and y-axis. Give the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 likewise, and on the y-axis positive side also give numbers, then negative, and y-axis negative points. But here in the points you can see there is no negative values, so take only 1 or 2 points in the negative side and leave it. Now only positive sides you will see, and according to these points only draw points on the graph and then join those points. When you join, you will see a linear graph, you will be getting a straight line. So that line equation will be what? Linear equation, that is x plus 2y plus equals to 6. Okay. Likewise, you have to draw graph for a linear equation. Okay. Now let us take one more example. Now let us have the next question, that is draw graph of linear equation x plus y equals to 7. Now solution, what you will write? Solution, we have linear equation what? X plus y equals to 7. Okay. So for this again you have to draw table first. Draw table. Then write there the x and y two values. Okay. X and y variables. Okay. Now again we will get points by assuming one of the value and we will get another value. Like for example, let x equals to 0 suppose I took. When x value is 0 in this equation, if I put x value as 0, what will be my y value? That is 0 plus y equals to 7. Which is implies what? Implies y equals to 7. That means when x is 0, what is my y value? That is 7. On solving the equation, we will get what? Y as 7. Now that is 0 and 7 is the first point. Same way, let x equals to, suppose 1 I am taking. If x is 1, what will be my y value? See, 1 plus y equals to what? 7. Implies, now by transposing what you will get? Y equals to 7 minus 1 implies y equals to 6. So what is my next value? X is 1, y is 6. Okay. Now one more, that is let y equals to 0. Y I am assuming as 0. Then what will be my x value? X plus 0 equals to 7. By substituting the value we got like this. Now x equals to 7 we will get. So now next point will be what? 7, 0. That means here the points will be when x is 1, what is y value? That is 6. When x is 7, what is y value? That is 0. So these 3 points we got. Now with these 3 points we will plot the graph. Draw again line. In the graph paper only you will draw these questions. Okay, exercise questions, graph you will draw in graph paper. Okay, so y-axis and x-axis intersection point is 0, that is O. Here this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, now here you take point 1, 2, 3, equal distance. Okay, keep it in mind, you have to take equal distance. 5, then 6, then 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see nowhere we have negative values, so only 1 values will take and leave. Okay, -1, -2, because minus values are not there in the table. Now see the table and do the marking here in the graph paper. Now what is my first point? That is 0 and 7. That means when x value is 0, x is 0. What is my y value? That is 7. So 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be the point. So I can mark it here as x is 0, y is 7. First point I got. Then what is my second one? That is when x is 1. What is my y value? 6. So here it will be 1 and 6. Then third point is when x is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one. Y is 0. So here only in x-axis I get, that is this value will be what? 7, 0. Now using this with the scale you draw a line. Okay. So when you draw a line you will see you are getting a straight line, linear. So this is my linear equation. What is that? X plus y equals to 7. Clear? So this way with the given points. These points how you got? By solving, assuming the values of 1 and you got another value. Depending on these values, you will plot the graph. Okay. So this graph you will get. So this graph is x plus y equals to 7. Okay, understood? So this way the exercise questions will solve. Okay. Now exercise. This is exercise 4.3. Okay. 4.3 first question is draw graph of each of the following linear equation. First one is x plus y. There are 4 questions. In this particular question, we have 4 questions to solve. Out of that, 2 questions I will do it and show you, and 2 questions will be your homework. Okay. First one and third question I will be solving. Second and fourth question will be your homework. So this is the question. Now see, for this solution will write. Solution will write what? X plus. So solution will be what? We have linear equation x plus y equals to 4. So first draw table. Okay. In this 2 variables x and y, and then take 3 points. Okay. Now solve for these 3 points. That is, let x equals to 0. If x value is 0, then what will be my y value? I'll solve 0 plus y equals to 4 implies y equals to 4. So my point will be 0, 4. So x value is 0, y is 4. Then next I can take let x equals to 1. Suppose I am taking. If x is 1, what will be my y value? 1 plus y equals to 4. Then transposing, what I'll get? 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3. So my next value will be x is 1, y is 3. So here I can write x is 1 and y value is 3. Then next, let y equals to 0. I can assume when y value is 0, what will be my x value? X plus 0 equals to 4. Implies x equals to 4. That means when x is 4, y is 0. So I got how many? 3 values I got, 3 points. Now draw graph for it. Draw y-axis, x-axis. Then this intersection point is 0 and this is y-axis. Okay. So here numbering equal distance, give here 1 positive side, this side. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same way on the x-axis positive side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This side, here in the table you can see no negative values. So if no negative value means only 1 or 2 values you write and leave it. No need to go for more numbers. Only 1 and 2 and leave it. Now go for these points on this graph. This you have to do in graph paper. Keep it in mind, in graph paper. Draw this graph and then paste in your mathematics copy as you were doing in class 8th. Okay, remember. Then x value is 0. X is 0, then what is y value? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it will lie. That means x is 0, y is 4. This point lies here. Then my next value is what? When x is 1. When x is 1. What is y? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So here it will lie. So this is 1 and 3. And then what is the next? That is 4. X is 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 here. And y is 0. So this will be 4, 0. Likewise, now draw with the scale like this. You will get a straight line. You will get a straight line. With the scale draw, you will see you will get a straight line. So this line equation, linear equation will be what? This is x plus y equals to 4. Okay, so this way you have to draw graph for the linear equation. Okay, now second question will be your homework. Okay, so do homework questions, second one and fourth one. Now third one I will show you how to do it. Okay, now let us have the third question. As I told, second and fourth question will be your homework. So third question will see. Second and fourth question will be your homework. Okay, so third question will see, that is y equals to 3x. So now again solution. What will you write? We have y equals to 3x equation, and plot what? Table again. Okay, draw table for this. Okay, here x value, here y value. Now assume values again. Let x equals to 0. If x is 0, what will be my y value? So y equals to 3 into 0 equals to 0. That means my point is what? When x is 0, y is also 0. That means it passes through the origin. The graph passes through the origin. X is 0, y is also 0. When both are 0 means it passes through the origin. Now again let x equals to 1. If x is 1, then what will be my y value? 3 into 1, that is equals to 3. So what is that? When x is 1, what is my y value? That is 3. So here 1 and 3. Same way if I take negative value, negative also you can take. So now, suppose x equals to minus 1 I am taking. If x is minus 1, then what is my y value? That is 3 into within bracket minus 1, which is equals to what? Minus 3. Okay. So when x is minus 1, y is minus 3. So here minus 1, minus 3. So now with these points, we will plot graph. See first. Y-axis, then here x-axis. Okay. So these two axes passes through the origin. This is our origin. Okay. So this side, right side will have positive values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Same way on the top of y-axis also we will have what? Positive values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time we have negative value both the sides, so we will take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Again this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. Okay, minus 4. Okay, this you have to plot in graph paper again and again I am telling. Okay, and cut this paper from the graph paper and then paste it in your mathematics copy after plotting graph. Okay, now see. So here what is the values? X value is 0, then y is also 0. So this is my first point, that is 0, 0. Then what is my next one? That is 1, 3. So when x is 1 means positive 1. What is my y value? That is 3. So 1, 2, 3. Here it will come. So this is 1, 3. Okay. Then when x is minus 1, so here it is left side. Okay. So this is minus 1. Y is what? Minus 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Here. This is minus 1, minus 2. So how my graph will be? Like this. Okay. So the graph line will pass like this. Okay. So this graph equation I can write here, or here on the top I can write, what is the equation for this? Y equals to 3x. Okay, this is y equals to 3x. That is my linear equation graph. Understood? So likewise, fourth question and second question, do it as homework.